Kitchen, and today we're gonna be doing mac and cheese. Yeah, a bomb diggity mac and cheese. The mac and cheese are crazy good. Me not tell no lie. All right, let me tell you what I use. I use this Ronzoni. Yeah, sorry folks, I'm not good with pronunciations like that. I usually say it a couple times before I get it right. And they are using the Cavatappi number 36. Yeah, and as you can see here, I have boiled it in some water, and it is just at the point of al dente. And I'm gonna be pairing this with some cheese here, some Switzerland cheese, Emmentaler, and it's very good. It's a very good cheese that melts very good. I have some heavy cream here from Publix. I have cheese spread. Yeah, listen, everything when I find in a cheese, I put in it. Yes, I throw the whole lot in it. Over here, Publix have this crazy cheddar jack cheese spread. I go throw it tonight. Alright, and of course, I have some onions and I go top it off with. You know, I have even some sliced deli cheese. Yes, I use it too. Folks, I have American, this is American yellow. I have Monster. Folks, I promise you, this mac and cheese is gonna be the bomb. Yes. Alright, so yeah, we get started now. Alright, so I cut up some parsley, you know, and I mix the parsley with some cilantro just to catch a little kick, a little oomph. You understand? So I cut up the parsley really and truly. Yeah, I did wash it, so that's why it looks so wet on the board, you know. I washed something before, because I don't want it mess up. Dump it in. Yeah, everything I compile in this. Trust me. I've already cut up some onions. I have two types of onion. I have regular yellow onion and I have some Vidalia onion. So I cut half of each and I have to put them in it. Yellow and Vidalia. Alright, so I cut up the elemental cheese, or the Swiss cheese. I cut up that. I cut up some, what is American cheddar cheese. Yeah.
Why? Oh.
Why what?
Why you not greater them?
One must greater them. I don't want them greater.
Yeah, them shouldn't greater.
No man, you can't come in every day. Can't come in every day.
What video? Where you put up?
You gonna lick up my side?
She don't know about it.
She don't know. Yeah, so as me say, oh, you don't really know what I'm going. Yeah, cool. As me say, this is just basically putting everything together. That's all it is. Yeah. Put that cheese there. Mayo, you rub up my shoulder? Sorry. Come out of my shoulder. Come out of my shoulder. I may have some Monster cheese.
That wasn't really for this thing.
It wasn't? For real? That means I'm never put none. I'm not put none. So
what is more, I just have a milky taste, so I guess it would be good.
This onion. Yeah, because she's never put none. Our cheese nice. So yeah. I'm not really put none in there. Yes, I'm put none in there. No, sir. No problem.
What am I can't? I'm blind.
You're blind? Me too. I feel. Yeah. So, alright, see there? Cheese pan top of cheese. I'm going to just dump it tonight now. Right? And we need a big spoon. Hey! You need a big spoon.
Yes.
See that now? Because the macaroni hot, everything just go, you know, permeate. Yeah. See there? Everything is just gonna permeate. Right?
Permeate.
See?
Permeate.
And then Maya, lead up over a minute, Bridget. Now go with the cheddar jack cheese now.
That is good.
It look very intelligent. May I have one more in the fridge? May I put it too?
You want it?
Yeah.
You want it?
No, me get it.
Okay. I never want it.
See?
You just need way more cheese, right?
No, it don't. Really? Are you a cookie or me? You want to the girl?
No, but
Yeah,
I'm very
eat it.
sick.
No, let me tell you something. When you start cook, like me, you
I
can't tell
want
me.
your son, man.
Ah, boy. That's why when you invite people in your yard and you do your video, everybody attack. And them is not YouTube star. It's me is the YouTube star. See that? Alright, so now I put it in the baking tin. I'm not watch my baking tin now because it look something it got through a whole heap of storm. Yeah, it look very, used. And you want to put this in your baking pan. I put a little oil in the bottom of the pan just so that my mac and cheese, well, it's not gonna really stick or nothing, but right, see? You normally just grease it a little bit, and I'm just telling from now, the half part here are mine. Over here, sir. I'm not sure that part of okay.
No, for me and you?
No.
Remember how far I come from?
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Me give you a little part, right? So. Yeah.
I'm in the video now.
No, you can't end the video. We have to show the process. You understand? The very, very eloquential process. This looks so intelligent. How it tastes? It tastes good?
You don't know.
No, because me just ask you if it tastes one little piece and you call down all Joshua and Tammy and big eating.
It's finished.
And this is it.
It's finished.
Can I leave piece like that?
No, I'm not leaving none. No. Too craving.
No, Simon, right? No, take some. I'll tell you something.
So what piece of cheese there?
I give me a spoon when you're done then.
The spoon?
Yeah, me wash that.
Alright, cool.
Alright, no bother.
Alright, see how this look now? It looks so divine. Trust me. And this is gonna go into a preheated oven for 96 degrees in the shade. Real hot. Oh, never put some breadcrumbs. And over here, see you couldn't take out the breadcrumbs to me? You see, you have burn out the video time now. Authentic breadcrumbs. Yeah, so I'm going to the breadcrumbs container and the breadcrumbs container all like, like from the first bush. When the first bush was in government. So the wife said, we have some crostini bread and she shall be crumbsamizing the something. But she not show the whole place though. Well, I like that. I like where you see. It looks so eloquential. Let me do it. Let me finish do it because we're not done.
Mine don't get there, Ayana.
No.
What's it?
You're there to the place more, babe.
Wait. That's
No, you see, you want the crust to be nice and, crusty. Yeah.
So this is the finished mac and cheese a la flan.
Look good.
Wait
It's not
name.
a flan, no.
Wait name.
It name cheesy.
Mac and cheesy.
Cheesy really.
Yeah, this is what it looks like. Nice and golden and crusty and cheesy and deliciousness. Can't wait for the game.
Alright, stop showing out. Stop, don't know the flame.
Film. So here's the finished mac and cheese. We kind of serve it up as a full meal. So this is it here in the corner. Looking nice and golden and cheesy and crusty. And we served it up with some Jamaican oxtails, yeah, Jamaican style, and some rice and peas and some spring vegetables. And Now I really stay with it long because the food look too good. So as usual, keep it locked and remember to continue to subscribe and support Yardie Belly in a foreign. Alright, bye.